Hello, everybody. Welcome into your Talking Fitchburg headlines on this Friday, February 17th, 2023. Jeremy Crosby here. Hope you're having a great day and a very cold day to start, as that snow came in yesterday and now gave way to very cold temperatures. But the sun is here. What is that? Well, let me tell you what it is. It means quiet weather this weekend with cooler conditions today following the passage of the system. But it'll be short-lived with temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s for Saturday and Sunday. Otherwise, mostly clear skies today with some clouds pushing by the end of the weekend. So not a bad weekend at all. We stay dry, we stay quiet, and you can enjoy some nice outdoor activities with this fresh batch of snow. And we'll just close this week out with saying Groundhog is now 2 for 2 for 2 weeks. All right, Wonders of Physics happening this weekend. Fact TV partnering up with the Wonders of Physics show this weekend. We're going to be broadcasting 2 of their shows live right here on the COM channel this Sunday, February 19th at 1 and 4 p.m. Never has there been a time when understanding science has been more important to the well-being of individuals and the nation than the present. Yet many studies have documented the lack of interest in science, and hence a decline in science literacy in the United States. To address this problem, the University of Wisconsin-Madison in 1984 began a program called the Wonders of Physics, aimed at generating interest in physics among people of all ages and backgrounds. The heart of the program is a fast-paced presentation of physics demonstrations, carefully chosen to be entertaining as well as educational. We'll have that for you this weekend, 1 and 4 p.m. Again, live right here on the COM channel. And I can tell you, I've seen the show. It is awesome. So hopefully you'll tune in this weekend because there's no sports going on, really. Just saying. All right, other news. We have author appearance this weekend at the Fitchburg Public Library. That's right, Maggie Ginsberg. She'll be here on Sunday, February 19th from 2 to 3 p.m. discussing her book, her recent novel, Still True. So if you want to come and meet the author, it's this weekend, 2 to 3 p.m. in the large meeting room at the Fitchburg Public Library. And speaking of the library will be closed on February 21st. Guess what they're doing? They're getting new shelving. That's right. So they will be closed all day on the 21st. Still can drop off books at the drop-off, but otherwise libraries close as they quickly rotate those shelves out. We should put like a little time-lapse video and see what that looks like as they move those around. Brilliant idea, Jeremy. We'll do it. All right, RSVP ride requests now online at the Senior Center. That's right. Request one today. Are you a tech-savvy individual who occasionally needs a ride to a medical appointment? Are you a son or daughter who could benefit from the ride requests for your parents? Yeah, you could fill out that ride request easily online now as we have that available on our page through the Fitchburg Senior Center website. Tongue twister there for this guy. No matter the case, please note the online platform is for returning riders only. If you're a first-time rider, you must call 608-270-4290. But give it a try once you get set up, and you can always call to make an appointment. So don't worry, even if you don't have good internet or you struggle with technology, still can schedule it the old way, but we're using the technology that we have to move forward. And 55 years ago yesterday, did you know that the first 911 call was placed? It's incredible. February 16th marks 55 years since the first 911 call was placed to the phone in Haleyville, Alabama. February 16th, 1968, which is really crazy. 1968 is when we had the first 911 call. You'd think it would have been a lifetime. Well, 911 is a vital lifeline for a person in emergencies. Since its inception, the 911 emergency response system has saved countless lives and has become an essential component of public safety in the United States. Let's take a moment to honor and thank the hardworking 911 professionals who help keep our community safe each and every day. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I can't think of a number, 911, that everybody knows. I mean, you are instilled with it from the day you're born till the day you die. But it's there for you and the men and women that help out with this each and every day. You're amazing for what you do, taking the calls and dispatching the right folks to help us. Have a great weekend, everybody.